Okay, so that was the first one. Now the second one, on the second to bottom line, is called Modern New York Link, Loud Blues. So you see that one. I'm not going to go through every single one here, but as far as every single concept that I talked about, but look through that and you know, try to figure out what I'm doing, why I'm doing it. There's some cool things in there that I do. Let me play that one for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that has some pretty cool stuff in it. I like that. The cool thing about reading your own transcriptions is you know all this stuff. Like, I get to certain points and I'm like, oh yeah, I play that all the time. So it's not that big a deal. Now, one thing I do a lot, and I put it here on that first note of this.